Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to mute mic while you're on video call on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now open the conversation to whom you want to make video call to. Now on the screen you can see at the top right corner there's video like icon and phone like icon. To make a video call you have to tap on that video like icon. Once you do that, on your screen you can see there's add person 3-dot menu and drop down menu at the top, while at the bottom there's video call, mic, share, back camera and end call option. All you have to do is tap on that mic option and your mic will be muted. And guys, that's it. That's how you mute your mic during video call on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.